What if Tesla Gigaberlin would release this epic Tesla Model Y 2022 facelift? The new Tesla Auto Factory in Germany has officially opened its doors for business, and the automaker couldn't wait to show the public everything from how the cars are assembled. The Model Y, the most anticipated car of Tesla, will also be made in the Gigaberlin. The Model Y does have a lot more hopes for the manufacturers in the coming years. Well, let's talk about this in today's video. And for that, all you need to do is watch this video till the very end. Hello everyone. Welcome to Tesla News Explained. Hit the subscribe button to get every news about Tesla. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we upload the new video. So, with that being said, let's hop into the video. After Tesla is able to meet a string of requirements and prove that it has met them, it will be able to start producing the Model Y electric crossover at its new Gigaberlin EV factory in volume. Environmental approval for the production of its electric crossover was granted by the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, signaling a major milestone for the EV maker that has been delayed for months. It is planned that the Berlin Gigafactory near Grünheide will be Tesla's second EV factory outside the USA and will produce the Model Y, which is the company's top-selling car for the European market. And as part of the project, it will deploy groundbreaking giant machines that will cast whole front and rear body pieces, significantly reducing the complexity and costs of production. Tobias Lind, a Tesla Berlin observer, shared multiple images on Twitter showing rows upon rows of Model Ys outside the new factory, where Tesla is still installing asphalt, street lights, and other finishing touches to the building. And in addition to being approved to make 2000 performance model is ahead of volume production, this new approval also means that when the first deliveries of long-range Model Ys to customers arrive, the carmaker can start producing those vehicles as well. EV maker Tesla is expected to hold the first of these events at the official delivery event taking place this month. However, the company must first fulfill a lengthy list of 400 conditions and requirements that include groundwater protection, air pollution, and species protection. According to Reuters, a German court has ruled that a procedural error in the water supplier's license must also be fixed, although the water company is expected to be able to do it itself. And after that is accomplished, the Gigaberlin plant will scale up to build 500,000 electric cars every year, as Tesla prepares to take on its main competitor in the EV space in Europe, Volkswagen, which has just announced that it will also invest 2 billion euros into a new EV plant in Wolfsburg, although production will not start until 2026. So this is also a lead for Gigaberlin right now. Moreover, the news is very good for Australia as well, because it has been reported that the opening of the Gigafactory in Berlin will allow Shanghai-made inventory to be freed up in other markets. However, a local launch of the new Model Y may be in the hands of Tesla's ability to ramp up its Berlin plant as quickly as possible. And on top of that, the drone video Tesla posted to YouTube last week shows a choreographed dance of robots, stamping machines, and human workers assembling Model Y SUVs inside of the Berlin Gigafactory, which recently began operation. This drone soars and dives around the plant, showing viewers everything from the casting machine that converts molten aluminum into Model Y bodies to the final inspection of the SUV. It is particularly interesting to get a glimpse behind the curtain given that Tesla has long struggled with quality control issues. Seeing how the car is made is not for those who are weak of heart and is not recommended for those who intend to continue eating them in the future. But watch the Model Y come to life. That would be even more amazing, right? As if the drone footage wasn't convincing enough to convince you that Tesla has now started delivering more Model Y crossovers in Germany. Or you have another explanation for the electric SUVs on car carriers, some more news has been released that may affirm the claim. Owners of the new Model Y in Germany and elsewhere are starting to report that they have taken delivery of their Teslas. A number of posts are now appearing on social media about Model Y deliveries from Gigaberlin. In other words, this ramp-up of the Tesla Model Y will certainly be the start of a new era for Tesla. Anyway, that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when we come up with a new video. Peace out.